The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Russell County in southeastern Alabama until 1030 a.m. CDT at 7:35 a.m. CDT. Emergency management reported heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 4 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing. Several roads in the Phoenix City area are impassable and a few bridges have water up and over them. The heaviest rain is now south of Phoenix City, where possible new flooding may occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Phoenix City, Ladonia, Russell County Sports Complex, Seal, Achee Creek, Fort Mitchell, Ladonia Sports Complex, Fort Mitchell Activity Center and Phoenix Drag Strip.